Let me ring the bell next time.
Hi, I'm Cosmo!
And I'm Wanda!
And we're your fairy!
Fairly new neighbors!
Yeah!
I didn't see any houses for sale.
We're in the one, right above you.
This test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Communications Commission, and local authorities. You informed in the event of an emergency. If it had been an actual emergency, an official would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start message. No action is required. With the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Communications Commission,
Enough small talk. What would you like to do?
Well, we used all our boring ideas on Timmy. Let's do something cool!